Hello everyone, my name is Sanks Coding. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you different basic terminal commands which are used in daily uses. Now starting with pwd, which will show us our current working destination. Now my current working destination is home/current, and let's go to another destination called downloads, and then we pwd here and it will show us our current working destination. And the next command I'm going to show you is the cd command, which will move a directory up or a directory down or take us to the previous directory. Cd downloads will move a directory up, and then cd dot dot will bring us a directory down, and then cd, let's move a directory up, and then cd dash will take us to our previous directory. And then let's clear the screen. And the next command I'm going to show you is the ls command, which will display all the things in a folder. Let's go to downloads, and then we ls here, and it will show us all the files in that download folder. And ls-r will show us all the subfolder in that folder. And then let's clear, and then ls-all will show us all the permission, read, write, executable permission. And then just clear the screen. And the next command I'm going to show you, let's go to first let's go to desktop. And the next command I'm going to show you is the cat command. First let's it is used to create a file also. The cat ggwp1 are greater than sign will create a file called ggwp1, and then ggwp2 will create a file called ggwp2. And let's combine these two, ggwp1 and ggwp2, in ggwp3. What cat does is it combines the content of ggwp1 and ggwp2 in ggwp3. Let's clear the screen, and let's delete this also. And the next command I'm going to show you is the copy and move command. First let's create a file using the cat command. Cat ggwp1 greater than sign, one file is created, and then let's copy this file cp ggwp1 into destination home slash code slash in this pictures, let's copy this. And now this is copied to pictures folder. Let's delete this. And now we can use the move command. Yumb is the move command. Now the file is moved to photos pictures location. In pictures, there it is. Let's delete this also. And now the next command is the make directory command, which is mkdir. Videos will create a folder called videos, and then rmdir will remove the directory videos. And let's create another directory called videos, and inside it let's create a file using cat command. Let's create a file called ggwp. Oh, sorry, we have to change the location first. And then cat ggwp, a file is created. Now we cannot remove it using the rmdir because it's not an empty folder. So what we have to do is we have to use rn videos, which we have to install using sudo apt install trn4. Let's delete these two. And then the next command is the touch command, which also creates a empty file like ggwp. It will create an empty file called ggwp. Let's clear the screen. And the next command I'm gonna show you is the locate command. Let's go to fake my computer, and now let's locate file with its name dbms on it. And these are the files with the name dbms on it. Let's clear this. And then the next command I'm going to show you is the sudo, which is used just like the administrator in Windows. It's like run as the administrator in Linux. Like we can use it to get update, sudo apt get update. Now the password, and then it's updating. Let's cancel it for now. Now the next command I'm going to show you is the chmod command. which will change the permission of a file and a folder. Let's ls dash all. Now let's take an example. Let's take this one. Now we can add a permission like read, write, and executable using chmod x is for executable, and we can replace dash x with r for read and w for write, and we can add sudo if some error occurs. Let's clear that, and then now let's go to home, and the next command I'm gonna show you is the let's delete this too. Let's write something. Now blue 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 red green blah blah blah, and then let's save it. And now we can use the grep command to search a word in that file. Let's go to desktop first, and then grep, and then the file, grep, and then the word we want to search, and then the file name. Blue is the word we want to search, and then the file name, and it will locate us the word blue in it. And now let's clear the screen. Next command I'm going to show you is the df-m command, which will show us all the memory usage in MB. And the next command, let's go to cd fake my computer. The next command I'm going to show you is the du command, which will show us all the files and the space they are taking in the memory. Let's clear the screen. The next command is head command, which will display first 5 lines. We can replace that 5 with 10 and even 15, 16. It will display first let's say five lines of the file ggwp. Now let's add some other lines also. Blah 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 blah. Let's save it, and then now let's use that same command, and it will display the first 5 lines of that file. And we can use tail, and then we can replace the 5 with 10, and it will show us first 10 line. And we can use tail command like this also, and it will show us the last 10 lines of the file. Now the next command, let's create now let's create a file called ggwp2, and now let's copy this much file from ggwp. Let's copy this, and let's type blah and blah 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 blah. The next command I'm going to show you will compare these two files and display what is common in these two files. And diff is the command for that. Diff file name 1 and then file name 2, and it will show us the lines which are common in both. These are the lines with the less than sign which are common, and the greater than sign are the one which are not common, which are additional in ggwp2. Let's clear the screen. Okay guys, this was for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.